Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute, June the 24th, 2025. What an incredible and instructive day in the markets. One day there's fear of all-out war in the Middle East and beyond, and the other day it's celebrations all around. Now everybody is celebrating the ceasefire between Iran and Israel in all markets all across the world are up, especially Asia Pacific that we monitor so closely. The KSE100 index is also celebrating, also up more than 6,000 points after gapping up at the open more than 4,300 points. So let's take a look at what's really happening. So let's break this down. This is today's market price. Big gap up, 4,332 points for a total gain of 6,079 points. Let's remember yesterday's analysis. The market did treat this window as a support. It bounced back up from here, did not go any further. Now let's see that the market had broken the 50-day exponential moving average yesterday to the downside. It broke back up again today. Also notice that the RSI, the momentum indicator, bounced off of the same level around 40 that we had been obsessing about, discussing about for so long. This is a very, very crucial level. Now the next test is this 60 line. If it breaks above this 60, which should be at around the time it comes near this all-time high of June the 12th. If it comes and tests this high and this level at around the same time, perhaps we'll see some hit and back like we did here, or we'll see a clean breakthrough or not. Remains to be seen. But remember, today's price action is also event-driven, just as event-driven as the previous few days' action. That was bad news, that was headwind, this is tailwind. This is good news, but also event-driven. It comes from a ceasefire which does not have much to do with any market's fundamentals. It's just good news. And it's also given you a gap opening. And like this gap, there's every chance that the market will turn back to test this gap, perhaps before bouncing back up, perhaps before breaking down. Remains to be seen. But right now, this is the high that the market is looking for. There is no technical resistance from this area to there. Now let's break it down. On the 3-hour chart, let's see. Yesterday we had broken down below even the 200 period exponential moving average. Today we gapped up nicely, found support at the 50 period average and then rose. And look at the RSI, the momentum is right back in the lower charts also. Going further down, the 1-hour chart, in which the market was so far below these averages, has now once again, the gapping up today, it has gone back above all of the 3 major moving averages we monitor. And the RSI is also snapped up from around 1415 to more than 6061 in one day. So this is again telling you that once the noise is taken out of this market, once the exogenous shock is taken out of this market, and the spotlight returns to the fundamentals, there is floor under the falling prices. There is inherent demand right now in the market. Whether this continues after the event-driven cycle has run its course, after exogenous shocks and market noise are finished, remains to be seen. Right now, however, the market is bid, the market has momentum, and the market is rushing towards these twin objectives of the June 12th high and the 60 mark on the RSI. Piercing through these, a successful test of these levels will come with very strong bullish momentum. That's the outlook on the market right now. Thank you.